Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Begin mobile first and design for small screens before larger ones. Choose breakpoints at 320px, 768px, and 1024px for layout control. Use a 12-column grid to structure content and keep flexibility across viewports. Constrain page width with a max width of 1200px to avoid overstretching on large displays. Set a base font of 16px and scale typography using rem units for consistent proportions. Prioritize touch targets and readable line lengths for comfortable mobile interaction. Use fluid containers with percentage widths and a max width of 1200px for stability. Serve responsive images with src set entries like 400px, 800px, and 1600px to reduce bandwidth. Apply CSS grid for overall page structure and flexbox for component alignment inside grid cells. Trigger layout changes with media queries at 768px and 1024px to adjust columns and spacing. Keep gutters consistent and use min-width or max-width queries depending on optimize performance by minimizing assets and lazy loading off-screen images to reduce initial payload. Aim to keep critical CSS and scripts small and deliver compressed bundles under typical thresholds. Make interactive elements reachable with 44px touch targets and visible focus states for keyboard users. Use SVG icons and optimized modern image formats to lower bytes on the wire. Test on real devices and emulate a 3G throttled connection during development. Target Lighthouse scores near 90 for performance, accessibility, and best practices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.